Hello and welcome to another app installation tutorial. Today, we see how to download and install WhatsApp on your PC for more comfort and speed. The process is quick and easy. Follow me. First, search for WhatsApp PC on Google or other search engines or visit the website www.whatsapp.com. When you are there, manage and accept the cookies, and you are immediately on the download page. On the right side of the screen, click the Download for Windows green button to get the installer directly from the website. Alternatively, you can download it from the Microsoft Store. When you have the setup file, click and run it to start the installation. At completion, the wizard will require you to connect to your WhatsApp account. So, to use the popular messaging app on your computer, follow the 3 steps that appear on the screen. Open WhatsApp on your phone, go to Link Devices from the Settings menu, and scan the QR code. Automatically, the app connects and organizes your messages, and you are ready to go. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe and visit our website to follow all our tutorials with more details and images.